Hello and welcome dear students. I am Nandlal Singh, your mathematics mentor Bhagwat Vidyapeeth Chhapra. Students, today I am going to start new chapter exponents and power. You can see that I have written the topics which we are going to be covered. At first, introduction part, second, power with negative exponent, third, expanding decimal numbers, fourth, laws of exponent, fifth, smaller number in standard form, sixth, comparing very large and very small numbers. First, I am going to talk about introduction of the number. Suppose if you are going to determine the distance between two points A and B, and the distance come out 150 kilometer, so you can write easily. But when I am going to talk about a very large distance, suppose your earth and the sun, and it gives us a very large quantity, $150 million, then in that case we have to use exponents, not only for only big quantities, smaller quantities also. Just example, size of electrons and other big quantities, and a small quantity we use powers for convenient. You can see that I have written how exponent help. You can see that I have written the number 100, 1000, 10,000. I can write 100 is 10 into 10, so we can write 10 to the power 2, 10 raised to the power 2, 1000, 10 into 10 into 10, 3 times, I can write 10 to the power 3. So similarly, if I can write, if the number which containing 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 zeros, we can write 10 into 7 times, and I have used 10 raised to the power 7, 20 raised to the power 2, 30 raised to the power 3, 40 raised to the power 4, similarly 70 raised to the power 7. So these are the method by which exponent help us writing bigger quantities, and this form is called exponential form. Exponential form. Now, what are exponents? Exponents, we can define their quantity as represent the power to which a given number is to be raised. Suppose I have written over there 2 raised to the power 4. So here 2 become base and 4 become exponent. So we can say that it is exponential form. Similarly, I can write 10 raised to the power 2 and can write 10 into 10. Similarly, exponent is what? Any number raised to the power by some number. Exponent may be two types. First, positive exponent, and second, negative exponent. This topic we are going to talk in our next video. Thank you.